Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you need your cucumber, of course, and your grated carrot. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut your cucumber into, try to just cut it this way I'm cutting it. Yes, so once you've got that, you take a spoon and you are going to basically scoop out the seed area. Yeah, once you scooped out the seed area that way, you have done well. Yeah, so you see that your boat has even formed. Some people usually peel the back skin, peel the back of the cucumber, but I was not interested in peeling the back. I wanted to take it with the back. So you just arrange your grated carrots into it, and that's it. And I think this is one of the fancy ways to encourage you to eat more fruits if you are finding it difficult, because I kind of enjoyed this combo of carrots and cucumber. It tasted nice. So if you want to have an alternative way of eating healthy and eating your fruits, this can be advisable. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share. You can cut it into tiny bits. You can share with family and friends. It's totally a healthy idea. Until next time, please do subscribe. Bye bye.